Speak version equals 1.0 XML, lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUS Jenny Neural. Prosody rate equals -5%, pitch equals -2 Hz. Alright, so break time equals 450 ms / I didn't expect much from this latest Sulaite Men S, but it's actually pretty solid. It has that clean minimal look. After using it for a while, it's one of those things you end up using often. It feels fair for what you get. Break time equals 180 ms / NGL, emphasis level equals moderate angry face / emphasis. If you want to check it out, links below. /prosody /voice /speak